Keep you watching Mission Forex, and for today's video, let's hop into today's structure. What I see beautiful trades in GPUSD, the bearish structure. What I see right now is that the growth market is in a better structure, and well, prices have when it hits the H1 resistance level, it didn't cross the level. Once it broke the level, but it came down strong at bearish structure. So for right now, the best thing is to take a buys on these levels for buys and take a sell on these levels. So that's the approach of a very beautiful trader. So you can get some, you know, 20 pips would be 26 pip would be fine in buys, and you can take almost 30. Yeah, you can take 36 pip or maybe 34 pips would be fine. Because this is for the buy structure. Because market moving sideways, you can take everywhere. You can take a buy and sell. So if you had been in this trade somewhere around here, so you have issues, you've taken the 26 pip which we have missed. So we'd be looking only for buys right now. This is all based on the structure. So if we look into the structure right now, so prices are making kind of higher highs and lower lows. But you see here is that the structure that have dropped from the high, it's okay in this structure. But you see that the prices have not broken this level. So when the prices have not broken this level, and we already have some structures showing us some marriage structure, and like we might see a kind of a range in this level. So the best approach for GU would be to take sells on resistance level and buys on support level that can give you a huge profit. I've capitalized on this move like on minute 15 for quite a long time. I'll show you. So here it was on minute 15 yesterday. Let me show you what I was doing yesterday. So when the prices were moving in an up structure, so uh, I've taken this trade, this trade, yeah, this one. So when prices broke this level, so I was looking on this structure. So here the prices broke this level. So let me give you a beautiful approach to this trade. So when the price broke this level, so I was like, this is my level 74, and mostly I take around 64 or maybe below. So I wait for my move. So I was like waiting for 64. So I was not looking to take on the level, and I keep my stop loss below. I mean, 10 pips, I kept my stop loss below, and when the price give me 20 pips, I was out of the trade. Exactly on the sell. I've taken in on 64 of this level, and I've almost capitalized to almost 19 pips. Of course, you can take out the spread as well. So as I see 20 pips, I take that pips and get out of trade. So that was the approach. And again, when I saw that prices are making a kind of a within triangle approach, if you made it correct from up and down. So I've also made my levels on the trade. Now I'm looking for buys and sells. So I've taken a lot of profits on these levels. So what right now what I see is I'm looking on higher time frame, and you see if you see price on this level, most probably you should be looking for buys, and your stop loss should be not above it shouldn't be more than, you can keep your stop loss a very tight stop loss around 30 to 30 pip on this level. That's a very good approach, because when it will making a low on in this level, so that means the price can move to the downside. But for the most easy approach would be like taking a sell on these level and taking the buys on these level. And what's my analysis? I'm really making money, a lot of money on this structure. For that, if you move forward on EU, so EU is also in an up structure right now. The prices are moving up, and it had made very good high, and now the price is making some kind of a retracement to this low. So if you see prices around six six 675 10675, you can the price can drop from this level as well. And that would also be a good approach if you take a sell on this level. If you take a sell on this structure, it can go down easily. So that's the best approach for GU as well. The line which I've drawn, these are level, these are not like a blind spots. These are exactly the levels. And if you take on these levels, that's the best thing. What I do is that when my if you see on these levels, the prices broke like 21 pips. So my stop loss would be above 20 pips. Most probably would hit my stop loss on this level. So what I then I would wait on this level, and once I see a break in, that's a very good chances that the price can drop. But then you have to see that the price break this level and come for a retest. So here we have, this was a beautiful sell, and right now it's a sell for me on EU because the prices is dropping. You see, this is the level, and it has already given you the stop loss. It's like 30 pips. Yeah, you can take 1 to 2 risk to reward. Ooh, yeah, so you can take 60 pip on EU, but once the price hit this level, you should go for a sell. And first target should be 60 pip, and then you can drop to almost 120 pips, I guess, more than 120 pips. But the ideal target should be 100 pips. So the first approach for my level would be this one, and I'm giving you the trades that the market is moving. When the market moves up structure, we turn around with the market. So these are the most favorable structure right now, and these are the trades that can be profitable for you for today. So hope you have a good day. Enjoy your trade on the G and E for today. Well, for gold as well, the prices had made this as a structure. Let's see into H4. Well, if I see, okay, let's see the history. Yeah, this is kind of today's H4 support. Excuse me. So yeah, on H4, this is a level, and prices can give you some kind of 6 pip is already, market can give you anytime 6 pip. Yeah, but it isn't risky. It isn't risky that just the price need to hit this level, and your stop loss should be below. Yeah, it should be this. It can easily give you 1 to 1 risk reward is definite. It's easy. For this is a level, and the price is kind of hit a high, and now this is kind of a retracement. The prices can move to the upside as well. But my ideal, pairs are even EU, and that should be for today trades. Have a good day. I'll also be sharing more trading setups when it's right time. Like for today, I'll be sharing another time. I'll be talking about my trades and giving more trades in future. So maybe next 6 hours, I'll be giving more analysis, and also be talking about the trades I've taken. There's a trade I've given you. This is totally on technical analysis, and it's 99% accurate. And we already loses when I've already shown that when the if prices break against our level, so we get out of the trade, we take that 10 pips, 6 pips, 7 pip loss and get out hell out of the market. That's one approach. Have a good day. Take care. Signing off, Mission Points.